emotion wants to believe she is not at the end of her teens. Should I hope that she will believe this far from the way that it seems? And I know she can't be mine, and it's just a waste of time. You can see her lead to resistance as she's surrounded by guys. Reservation cuts my persistence, what could I see in her eyes? And I know she can't be mine, and it's just a waste of time. Strange as it seems, she took my hand, and it opened up my world like you never understand. And I just don't ever wanna see her wrapped in a celebration.